Hi, it's Nancy. Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. Just want to send you a reminder that when you are describing what you do to other people, help make it simple for them to figure out. Yes, you are talking to very smart people, and very smart people can usually figure things out. But just like with everything else that we do, we want to remove the friction and make it as easy as possible so that people don't necessarily have to think when they're trying to figure out what you do for a living or what your company does. I'm looking at an overview of a company on LinkedIn, and I'm seeing phrases like global this and precision engineered that and unparalleled and sharper insights and lots of words like that and award-winning solutions, which are great. I think you should use those, but make sure they're attached to exactly what you do. Now, I'm not saying that this is perfect, but for example, when someone says, what do I do? And I will say, and know that there are variations of this depending on the audience. I'm an integrated marketing and business development advisor. And in their minds, they're like, so what? There are a million of you. I typically follow that by saying, and these days that means lots of LinkedIn training, podcast launches, AI discernment, personal branding, content marketing, all those things that lawyers and service providers need to help them grow. So, of course, use your own words, but you can even practice it with ChatGPT or Claude or your favorite LLM. And just say, how does this sound for a description? Would you understand what I do? So don't always assume that everybody knows what it is you mean when you're describing what you do. Someone might be new to your discipline, your industry, your profession, and they don't always understand the words that you're using. And yes, they could figure it out, but remove the friction. Always remove the friction. All right, just a friendly reminder. I just want to make sure that people get your message as quickly and easily and as frictionless as possible. If you have any questions or if I can help you develop yours, let me know. I'm at Nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. Or that's my website too, myrlandmarketing.com. All right, take care. Bye-bye. Make it simple.